Texas, a land built on hunting tradition.
Where deer hunting is part of everyday life. But success depends on the right rifle. One caliber stands above the rest. The .308 Winchester. Texas terrain is massive and unpredictable. You need versatility. .308 offers perfect balance. .308 offers perfect balance. Strong power, controlled recoil.
And ammo that's easy to find.
Simple, reliable, proven.
.308 handles Texas wind. Accuracy decides success. Accuracy decides success.
Fully legal across Texas.
Always hunt responsibly. Private or public land. .308 fits every environment. Remington 700 cocked. Legendary. Ruger American Tulin, trusted value. Ruger American Pillimbling, trusted value. Savage Thermometed, precision control. Tikka Prene, premium feel. One standard, reliability. Confidence defines the hunt.
.308 builds that confidence. Short range or long?
.308 adapts to every scenario. Ethical. Responsible. Built for Texas. If you choose one rifle, choose the .308 Winchester. Simple, powerful, proven. Texas deer hunting's best choice. Respect nature. Hunt responsibly.
Like and subscribe for real hunting insights.
Always follow laws. Wear safety gear.
Thanks for watching. The .308 Winchester. Reliable, trusted, perfect for Texas hunting.